Hey, what's up guys, it's me Balshankar back with another video, and this is the first ever episode of Gaming PC Build. And on this episode, I'm gonna start things with budget gaming PC build under 15,000 Indian rupees, and that's roughly around $200 US. With this tight budget, I have to pick components with the best price to performance ratio, and I think I've done a good job in it. Starting with the processor, I went with Intel Pentium E7000 3.0 GHz processor. This should be well enough for gaming most of the games, if not all, at least in medium settings. For the graphics card, I went with the older generation DDR3 graphics card, that's GeForce GT 520. I could have gone with the newer 210, but when I consider the price and we are looking for a gaming PC, 210 is not that great for gaming. Holding both of the components together is ASUS P5 G41T MLX motherboard. It's a relatively good motherboard for its price, having 4 SATA ports, 4 front USB ports, PCIe X16 port for your graphics card, 1 PCIe 1 port and 2 PCI ports. In terms of other I/O ports, it has a VGA port, 2 PS2 ports for your keyboard and mouse input, 4 rear USB 2.0 ports and the usual audio microphone analog output. And for memory, I went with 2GB of DDR3 random access memory from Dynite. It's not a great memory, but it still works for a budget build. For the power supply, I went with 450 watt Biologic power supply. I've used Biologic power supplies before and I haven't had a problem with its power supplies. And it's relatively inexpensive and it has a good price to performance ratio. And I pretty much went for Biologic 40 watt power supply for my budget build. For storage, I went with Western Digital 500GB blue hard drive, and holding everything inside is Elite 311 PC case from Coolermaster. Now let's see whether the PC boots and how well it games. I've installed Windows 8.1 and games like Minecraft and League of Legends are totally smooth in high to medium settings, whereas games like Mass Effect 3, GTA 4, NFS Most Wanted 2013 was playable at medium settings at around 30 frames per second. So that's it guys, the budget gaming PC build for this month, and do let me know about the price point for my next build in the comment section below that like button. And as it always is, thank you guys for watching this video, it means a lot to me. And if you like this video, make sure you go thumbs up on this video and subscribe the channel for more. Thank you.